Marking off the airsoft field. I'm trying to proclaim to everyone to come play on weekends. Been asking people, but no one wants to ever commit. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through. It is not a field you have to pay money to come to. All we ask is if it's gonna be like several people, then just bring BBs. It's all we ask, or green gas. Just got a nice there. You got a nice little homemade stairs. Sorry, I almost fell right there. It's a big ass drop from those stairs, but yeah, like a nice way you can break through this way. Got a nice back wall back there, it's padded. Nice little cuts and corners. Got a nice staircase over here. Come this way. Also, since I'm going this way, fucking respawn for down here is down here. So you don't have to worry about getting cacked in the face or anything. We have iPro and shit. Several face masks. Mesh mask. Yeah, respawn's here. It's not bad. Got some god rays up there and shit, but and since you would charge into this bitch, either flank one of these 4 ways. Go there, hide in that bitch, go that way. You can either hide against this wall and come out. Duck down around in this bitch. Or some of this. Alright, so far this is one side. I'm gonna hop to the next side, so give me a second. Also, before I leave this area, we got a nice little snake path down here you can cut through. It leads all the way into the back of there. So you can either take that way up and come up from over there, or just hop from behind this and then down. Or we have a nice path right here of where I'm standing at. So now I'm going to start showing you guys some of the intricate corners and ways you can get down into here. We got one another bunker right there. You can take P shots from right here, kill a few. If not, walking up to the second angle or main entrance to this bunker. Walk down that area. Let me unzoom for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. There we go. So yeah, you got a few little divot spots you can take shots at down here from. If not, you take my stealth approach and you'd walk this way. You can hop this side rail and come sneaking into this bitch. We call this one Eagle Nest, because technically you're over the position of enemies. Most of the time they won't see you until it's very late. Free downside of we still got a place in. If you do choose to play on this side, be careful. Some of that is loose, so you might slide. There's no way in hell there's a chance you're falling in that river, because I fell from underneath here down to there and stopped at that surfboard before I hit the water. So you're good. You're not really gonna get hurt. We got protection and medical supplies if you need it, but we doubt it. We do advise wear thick but weather controlled clothing. But yeah, I'm gonna get in deeper so I can show you guys more. Got a little snake path right here and shit. So I'm showing you this weird ass angle because there's a nice little cubby hole under here that you can hide. A few of my friends have tried it. Only downside about it is when walking up, there's that big opening right there, and you can technically see people when you're under here. So advisory, not the best point of choosing, but if you think about it, you have very great angle at everything. Okay, back to what we were saying. So you'd come out the little cubby hole, div it out into biscuits, take a few peek shots from here down. If not, the under hole there, there's a sinkhole I'm about to show you under there where you can hide. So like I was saying, there's one sinkhole in here. I'm gonna climb in for you guys. Sorry for the acorns, this tree's been dying. But yeah. And where I've been killed at several times. Because not a lot of people can see you from in here. Within here. The nice opening and it aims right. There are the towers. Is right there between those four trees. Nice one is right where that broken hanging tree is. Stairs are about and that's about everything. So, yeah, come on through. Enjoy the airsoft. Come play with us. 6 people is not enough. So we need more contestants. Anybody down? Holy fuck.